Well, this has got to do with the violation of COVID-appropriate behavior in famous singer A.P. Dhillon's concert, which is on your screens right now. As you can see, there is zero COVID-appropriate behavior being followed there, COVID protocol being followed there. No mask, crowding, several movie stars and their sons and daughters were in fact spotted at this event. The BMC has also said that it doesn't appear that the authorities have any idea about what's going on in the city of Mumbai in terms of these violations essentially. Now, how was this concert allowed is the question that the BJP now is asking. Remember, we are talking about COVID violations and protocol violations in the state of Maharashtra. Tushar Joshi has more details on that story now. The authorities, Tushar, have in fact clearly said that this can't go on. By sending out a message, an FIR has been registered against the organizers for violation of COVID norms. What are the organizers saying?
You know what is going to happen now with the fact that these are two big names that we are breaking today, Kareena Kapoor and Amrita Arora. Both are big names in the industry. Both are names that will definitely shake and rattle people and make them realize that COVID has not gone. COVID is here to stay. And we need to be very careful. The fact that BMC has come out and issued a statement, and there is a lot of noise on social media right now on the fact that not just Kareena, but in the last few weeks and months, a lot of Bollywood celebrities, like you mentioned, have been stepping out. We have videos and images of them, not just partying, but also going out, traveling out of Bombay, traveling out of the country. So in the wake of what you've mentioned and what has happened with Kareena testing positive, I do see stricter, stringent protocols coming in place for a Bollywood event or a music concert or anything that's up and coming in the next few weeks or months might definitely be affected by this.
Right, Tushar, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. Like Tushar was saying, this is not just about A person or B person, in fact, testing positive for COVID-19. It's also about the public messaging and the message that the BMC really wants to send out by then saying that these are the famous people who violated COVID protocol. The infection has not gone anywhere. It's very much here.